students have trouble pronouncing certain English sounds that don't exist in their first language. The L and R sound difference being one of the most well-known examples. These two sounds are tough and many non-native speakers mix them up. The good news is they are very different. You just need to know or to focus on your mouth position. You should be able to get them straight. So let's practice these two sounds so you can solidify your understanding of the two different positions. To make the L sound, the tongue comes forward and the tip of the tongue presses against the roof of the mouth just behind the teeth, or sometimes comes through the teeth. The lips remain more neutral. For example, light, late, lead, load, layer, letter. Very good. This time, let's use our famous tongue twister in practicing the sound. Silly little Lucy said that she was looking for the lighthouse near the lake right now, but it's a total lie. Silly little Lucy said that she was looking for the lighthouse near the lake right now, but it's a total lie. Let's have it word by word. Silly, little, Lucy, said that she was looking for the lighthouse near the lake right now, but it's a total lie. Very good. Let's practice the whole sentence. Silly little Lucy said that she was looking for the lighthouse near the lake right now, but it's a total lie. Your turn. Yes, we're getting there. One more time. Silly little Lucy said that she was looking for the lighthouse near the lake right now, but it's a total lie. Perfect. To make the R sound, the tip of the tongue is down and not touching anything, while the back or middle part of the tongue raises and it presses against the insides of the top teeth. For example, right, rate, read, road, rare, really. Very good. Let's practice the sound using the tongue twister. Rachel Ray spread rumor about the red road. Rachel Ray spread rumor about the red road. Let's have word by word. Rachel, Ray, spread, rumor, about, the red road. Very good. How about the whole sentence? Rachel Ray spread rumor about the red road. Your turn. All right. I know you can do better than that. One more time, please. Rachel Ray spread rumor about the red road. Perfect. You know how I love using minimal pairs, right? So this time, let's practice these sounds using minimal pairs. Say light, right. Late, rate. Lead, read. Load, road. Lice, rice. Low, row. Very good. How about using tongue twisters with both L and R sound? For example, a loyal warrior will rarely worry why we rule the world. A loyal warrior will rarely worry why we rule the world. Let's have word by word. A, loyal, warrior, will, rarely, worry, why, we, rule, the world. Good job! Now, let's have the whole sentence. A loyal warrior will rarely worry why we rule the world. Your turn. All right. One more time, please. A loyal warrior will rarely worry why we rule the world. Yes, you're doing a great job. I hope this helps you to understand how these sounds are different. When you practice, use a mirror and make sure that you see in the mirror the correct mouth position for these two sounds. Once again, I am Ellie from Boost English. See you next time. Goodbye.